Okay, real quick video here using Pursue disinfectant cleaner and one-step disinfectant to make cleaning wipes because we can't find them anywhere. First, what I've got is paper towels. I've got an old bucket, chocolate chip cookies, which I also can't get anymore. A gallon of water, which I've diluted as per the instructions on the back of the container. Disinfectant, medical, 2 ounces per gallon of water. Just to let you know, this cap, one cap is a half an ounce. There's a little black line that I drew on the inside there. I don't know if you can see it, but that's a half an ounce. So 4 caps for a gallon of water is what I'm doing. I've already diluted it in here. First thing we can do, just get some paper towels, and you can put them, obviously this is real simple, take them, put them inside the Ziploc bag, as many as you need. This is like kind of to go if you want. You take some of the water solution and put it in on the towels. Let it soak in, zip it up, and there you go. Put a little bit more in if you need to, but now you've got disinfectant wipes, and this is hospital grade disinfectant wipe at this solution. That's disinfectant medical. Disinfectant non-medical would be 1 ounce per gallon. So anytime you need, I probably should have put some more paper towels in here because that was a lot of fluid, but anytime you need, and this is just paper towels also. Not very durable, but they work. You can use them and disinfect whatever you need to. That's one method. The other method is if you have a full roll of paper towels. Let me dry this off a little bit. Wasting paper towels, I shouldn't be doing that. Take the paper towels and we're gonna put them inside the bucket. They obviously don't fit. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut the paper towels in half. They have the cardboard. We're going to remove the cardboard. Pretty easy to do. You just kind of pinch it sideways and get the cardboard tube out of the paper towels. Just give it a little pull, a little twist, and they come out. We're going to take the paper towels, we're going to put them in the bucket, and we're going to pour the water right on top of the paper towels. Let that soak in. Now you've got wipes. Anytime you need a wipe, just grab one from the middle, you got to go. Paper towels are surprisingly strong. However, I'm going to use shop towels. This is a big old roll of shop towels. Big. And what I am going to do there is I'm going to get a nice clean bucket. I'm going to put the shop towels right inside the bucket. I'll start one off on the top there. And I'm going to pour the Pursue and water solution right on top of the towels. And I'm going to let that soak in. This is a lot of paper towels, so I am putting a lot of water in here. I've done this before, and I used over a gallon of water. And it soaked it right up. Now this is 200 shop towels. I got these at the big box, the orange store. Home Depot. And what I have done is I've actually put this bucket in the back seat of my truck, and anytime I've gone to a store, I've grabbed a paper towel out, and I've wiped down what I've purchased or wiped down my hands, and you got a very good durable, because these are shop towels, durable wipe, handy anytime you need it. So anytime I pick my wife up from the hospital where she works, she can clean her hands, clean off anything. But that's what we're using there. Pursue disinfectant wipes. I hope this is useful. Good luck and stay healthy, everybody.